Use clamps in your work. When laying the transmission line, make sure that it is securely fastened. After all, not a single cable is insured against damage or breakage. Anchor tension clamps are special fasteners for securely fixing various optical cables on supports. Let's see the advantages of these clamps. Easy installation, no special skills and additional tools are needed. This does not allow violating the integrity of the wire when laying the transmission line. Reliable, will enable you to preserve the integrity of the wire in case of damage. Safe, minimize the risk of injury when installing the transmission line. High quality clamp, this clamp is resistant to stress, stretching, heat, vibration, and other interference. Control over the quality of products during the production process with testing at every stage, confirmed by product certificates. How to buy anchor tension clamp and all more information about availability delivery time you can get by contacting us. You can see the presented products on our website or discuss everything you are interested in with the manager.